Alright guys, we're back. I'm going to show you a quick tip to get some Smoothie King out of your car. So I ended up spilling the Smoothie King in my car, and this is how you fix it. Put some baking soda on that bad boy, rub it into the fibers of your car. You want to really get it in there. Just take your time. Waxing on, waxing out. Cobra Kai for life. This is what you're doing, man. So you're gonna have that nasty, disgusting, rotten, spoiled milk smell in your car for about 2 to 3 days. But this is gonna take it all out. So you do the baking soda, apply it on your car seat, then you're gonna get this right here from Walmart. You're gonna spray it on. Just a couple of coats. Just mist it on there. I mean, just a couple of coats. You don't need maybe, 1 or 2, maybe 3 or 4, but not so much. Just a real light coat. Just a real light coat. Not too much. You want to just barely put it on there. Then you're going to sprinkle some of your baking soda on there again. Not too much. Just a little bit. Nice coat. Shouldn't be thick. Should be still powdery. Shouldn't be thick at all. Just real light coat. You should be able to rub your hand on it and it should be able to disappear. Once you do that, you can let it sit in the sun for about 6 hours. No more than 6 hours. And you'll be good to go. Alright guys, if you need any more help, let me know. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like button, and once again, these are the products that we're using right here.